Yeah man, welcome to Keisha official style of cooking. You don't know. Yeah. So she get the peas a second wash. You don't know. Like you know don't know clean and nice. This is it. Yeah. Nice. Then put it in the pot. Yeah man, ready for boil out and now cook out. Put in with some garlic, And the pressure cooker still know. The peas not too tough, but you don't know. Speed up the process with the pressure cooker. Yeah. Yeah man, so the fish again for the second wash. Yeah, some vinegar in the water and thing, get to some of the rawness. You don't know. Sea fish. Yeah. Nice snapper. So the oil getting ready. Yeah. Put in the fish then. So we have some flour mixed up with some sea salt. You don't know. Yeah. So we're gonna pour up the fish then. And then drop it in the pot. The season alongside. Yeah man. Yeah man, we have a bit of vibes for the Sunday, yeah man. Yeah man, so watch out now. Let's mice up the flour with the salt, you don't know. Pour up the fish them. Yeah man, so you just share, like, subscribe, you don't know. Turn on the post notification bell. You see it. So when you drop the next video, you're the first one to get it. So you don't know the flour kind of stop the fish from break up or sticking in the pot, you understand? You see it. Yeah. Next set of fish are going in the pan. Yeah man. Fast process. You see it. Yeah man. I should powder the fish. Yeah. Drop it in the pot. Oil well hot enough. You have to put the fish gently in the pot. Yeah man, share the video man, like and subscribe. Yeah man. Oil well hot in the pot. You drop it too hard, oil flash out and burn you. Yeah man, so we do it on Sunday, Sometimes tea, sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. Yeah man, it's season. About to get chopped. Yeah. So it look like that. Yeah man. That's it. Yeah man, live commentary. That's it. Oh. Season ready. Nice color. What about purple and green and red and white. Oh. Fish that look tasty. I give a piece of now. And then we can take out piece when she gone and now look. When she gone to do now look. She's watching us. Alright. Back on the commentary, yeah man. Don't know fish I get simmered down. Alright, so we are prepare coconut milk. Yeah, with grater, old fashion. With the old style thing. There's up a grater with dreadnought, coconut. Some people know it as dreadnought, you see it. Squeeze out the juice. Well rich. Yeah. Pour it in the pot with the scallion and stuff. Yeah. Stir them up. Peas in the pot as well, so you don't know. Pour in the rice now. Yeah man, a little speedy process. Quick and fast. That's what it look like the finished product. You don't know. That's the word.